Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Another high-stakes XRP legal battle about to unfold as SEC likely to appeal historic 2023 judgment. Next, Q4 crypto rally chances exceptionally high, fueled by BTC $65,000 breakout. Also, AVAX price rallies after Avalanche development incentive and Mainnet upgrade announcement. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: another high-stakes XRP legal battle about to unfold as SEC likely to appeal historic 2023 judgment. The Ripple SEC legal saga took the crypto sphere by storm, with the court ruling last month sparking further speculations and debate. Ripple was ordered to shell out $125 million for breaking securities laws in institutional sale transactions. As the dust settles, a former attorney at the Securities and Exchange Commission has predicted that the agency is likely to challenge certain aspects of the case, setting the stage for yet another lengthy legal fight. SEC believes XRP ruling was wrong. Given that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission previously tried and failed to file an appeal in the Ripple lawsuit before Judge Torres's final judgment in August, speculation is rife on whether the Wall Street regulator might likely again attempt to appeal the ruling, including the issue of XRP secondary sales. In a September 27th post, Fox Business reporter Eleanor Tourette revealed that a lawyer who recently left the SEC thinks the agency will probably lodge an appeal. The potential appeal would be centered around the landmark ruling in July 2023, where Judge Analisa Torres declared that XRP was not a security, but only when sold to retail investors. At the same time, Torres found that XRP was still a security when sold to institutional investors. The unnamed lawyer revealed that everyone at the commission is convinced that the Torres' decision was wrong. Everyone over there at the SEC truly believes that the decision is wrong, that it's not good law, and should be appealed. It is worth noting that the agency has until October 7th to appeal. Ripple's legal head, Stuart Alderoty, earlier stated that he would not be surprised by an SEC appeal. However, he is certain that the cross-border token's legal status will not be impacted, as this is the law of the land. An SEC appeal would be a waste of taxpayer money, says pro-XRP lawyer. The rumors of a potential appeal have prompted a reaction from the lawyer who waded into the SEC tussle with Ripple, John Deaton. Deaton noted in a detailed ex-post that the agency may leverage the infamous Howey test as an argument to appeal the XRP judgment. In Deaton's opinion, the judge didn't apply all three factors of the Howey test. Specifically, he thinks Judge Torres did not apply the third prong, i.e. common enterprises. As such, the attorney, who is vying against crypto skeptic Senator Elizabeth Warren in the Massachusetts Senate race, believes the SEC could use this to appeal in the case, but it won't make a huge difference. The common enterprise factor was, in my opinion, the weakest part of the SEC's case against Ripple. Thus, even if the Second Circuit ruled Judge Torres erred applying the third prong, the SEC doesn't win the case, Deaton explained. The case would go back to Judge Torres for her to apply the common enterprise prong, and she would likely rule the SEC didn't establish a common enterprise. The prominent pro-XRP attorney added that if the SEC appealed, it would again lose and then have to file another appeal. In other words, the SEC's possible appeal would only prolong the lawsuit, further wasting taxpayers' money. It makes no sense and would be a total waste of taxpayer money to appeal this decision, which is why someone like Gary Gensler might just appeal. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Q4 crypto rally chances exceptionally high, fueled by BTC $65,000 breakout. Bitcoin surge past $65,000 has ignited FOMO in the altcoin market, according to a crypto analyst. The chances of a bull rally in the highly anticipated fourth quarter are strong following Bitcoin's return above the $65,000 price level, according to a crypto analyst. The likelihood of a Q4 rally is exceptionally high, with gains likely front-loaded. 10x Research head of research Marcus Thielen stated in a September 27th report viewed by Cointelegraph. Altcoin FOMO returns as Bitcoin reaches $65,000. Thielen opined that a Bitcoin price breakout above $65,000 has fueled fear of missing out, or FOMO, returning to the altcoin market. A major surge could be on the horizon, sparking even more FOMO across the crypto space, Thielen added. At the time of publication, Bitcoin is trading at $65,424, according to CoinMarketCap data. Caproli Investments' Altcoin Speculation Index has climbed to 23%, representing a 13% rise over the past 30 days. This index tracks the percentage of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin over 90 days, with higher readings signaling growing speculation in the market. SEI, has led the top 100 cryptocurrencies in gains over the past 7 days since September 20th, surging 37.79%. It is followed by Wormhole, or W, up 32.83%, and Shiba Inu, or SHIB, up 32.08%. SHIB has become a popular investment for South Korean retail investors this week, according to Thielen. In the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu has reclaimed the top spot in trading volume in South Korea, signaling rising speculation and setting the stage for a potential Q4 rally. Amid the rise in the altcoin market, Bitcoin's dominance has dipped slightly since September 20th, falling about 1.57% to 57.51%, according to TradingView data. Traders often use this metric to gauge potential capital shifts from Bitcoin to altcoins. Meanwhile, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index has risen by 11 points since September 26, reaching a greed score of 61. Additional rate cuts will only increase interest in altcoins. Thielen suggested that if the U.S. Federal Reserve remains open to cutting rates, high beta altcoins will likely gain further momentum. His comments come shortly after the U.S. Federal Reserve's September 18th decision to cut interest rates by 50 basis points, a bullish indicator for riskier assets. Declining interest rates make traditional investments like bonds and term deposits less appealing to investors. Several crypto analysts hinted on social media that this is just the start of the altcoin bull run, predicting even greater gains ahead. Altcoins are waking up significantly, but this is nothing compared to what we're going to be seeing in the coming 6 months. MN Trading founder Michael Vanderpop stated in a September 27th X post, "It's going to be glorious, it already is," Vanderpop added. Meanwhile, on the same day, Joe McCann pointed out that 90% of all altcoins on Binance are above their 50-day moving averages. Altcoins are about to break out of a multi-month downtrend, crypto analyst Miles Ducher added. Our next top headline, AVAX price rallies after Avalanche development incentive and Mainnet upgrade announcement. A $40 million developer incentive and upcoming Mainnet upgrade translated to price upside for AVAX. AVAX, the native token of the Avalanche ecosystem, has shown resilience, rising 3.45% over the last 24 hours amid increasing excitement about the blockchain's first major upgrade. According to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView, the AVAX token smashed through the barrier posed by the 200-day exponential moving average, or EMA, on September 26th to reach an intraday high of $29.10. At the time of publication, the Layer 1 token trades at $28.91, up 10% over the last week and 12.5% over the last 30 days. Several factors behind AVAX's bullishness include developments surrounding the upcoming Avalanche 9000 upgrade, a surge in network activity, and a strengthening market structure. Avalanche's $40 million grant program boosts AVAX price. The Avalanche Foundation, the organization that supports initiatives that foster the development and adoption of the Avalanche blockchain network, has announced the launch of a $40 million grant program to support developers building Layer 1 blockchains on the Avalanche network. Christened Retro 9000, the program is aimed at encouraging developers to build on the Avalanche network ahead of the much-anticipated Avalanche 9000 upgrade. On September 3rd, the Foundation provided details of Avalanche 9000, terming it as largest network upgrade since the blockchain's Mainnet debut in September 2020, and is set to foster scalability, enhance cost efficiency, and increase developer experience. As the network becomes more attractive for developers and other users, there might be increased demand for AVAX and a potential upward trend in its price. Improving market structure and surge in network activity back AVAX's uptrend. From a technical perspective, AVAX trades above an important demand area, stretching from $27 to $28.65. Note that the 200-day EMA lies within this zone, suggesting that AVAX price sits on relatively robust support on the downside. Buyer congestion around the said support level is likely to provide the tailwinds required to propel AVAX higher. If this happens, the price of the token may rise toward the May 22nd range high of $41.78, representing a 42% uptick from the current levels. The significance of this support zone was reinforced by on-chain data from Into the Block. Its in/out of the money around price, or IOMAP, model showed that AVAX sat on relatively robust support compared to the resistance it faced in its recovery path. For example, the 200-day EMA at $28 lies within the $27.51 and $28.44 price range, where approximately 7.7 million AVAX were previously bought by roughly 191,230 addresses. Further validating the positive outlook for AVAX was Total Value Locked, or TVL, data that reflects growth within the project's ecosystem. Analyzing TVL data helps in understanding investor and developer interest in a blockchain. TVL is similar to bank deposits for decentralized finance, or DeFi, projects and may influence the market's direction. According to data from DeFi Llama, Avalanche's TVL has been increasing in tandem with the price, rising from $717.4 million on August 5th to the current value of $1 billion, representing a 43.5% increase. The AVAX price has increased by more than 50% over the same period. This increase in TVL is a sign of increasing user interaction with the blockchain, which leads to growing demand for the AVAX token. High demand is usually a precursor for substantial price growth. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.